Hello and welcome to the Z Hut. Today I'd like to show you how you can use an OP amp with an LDR to make a simple dark activated nightlight. Now this is a great project for beginners. There's not too many components to it. It's pretty easy to hook up. So let's just get right into it. Alright, I'm going to start on this side here. What I have is a 5-volt regulator. And coming into that, I got 9 volts coming off a wall wart. So then we're getting 5 volts out of there, and I'm supplying that to the power rails. So next, we have our OP amp, our operational amplifier. I'm using a 741, but you can use other ones. There's lots of different OP amps that'll work for this. If you don't have a 741, just try whatever you have. Most likely it'll work. Just make sure it'll handle the 5 volts. And you could also run 9 volts through this circuit if you didn't have a 5-volt regulator. Just make sure the OP amp you're using will handle 9 volts. So how this works is I have a potentiometer here that's set up to provide a reference voltage. Let's see if I turn it all the way that way. Light comes on. So what we're using this for is to set the sensitivity, how dark it would have to be before the LED would be triggered. Now to trigger it, we're using as an LDR, and that's just a light sensitive resistor, and we got it set up as a voltage divider. You can see I got another resistor here. The resistor values and stuff, if you look in the description below, you'll find a link to the website, and I'll have a schematic on there and a parts list and all that as well, plus some more information. So we're using the LDR set up as a voltage divider. So what happens is when the current voltage coming through the voltage divider becomes higher than what our reference voltage is, it turns our LED on. Now I'm using one of them super bright LEDs. You could use a regular LED if you didn't want it to be as bright. On the camera it's probably not showing up super bright because I used a large resistor here just so I wasn't blinding the camera. These actually get a lot brighter than what you're seeing here. And that's all there is to this circuit. I mean, it's super simple. Now this chip here has just one OP amp in it. There's other chips, bigger ones, that'll have multiple OP amps in there. You can use them as well. Just pick one of the OP amps on the chip and use that. Otherwise, can't think of anything else to go over on this. Like I said, this is real easy to build, especially if you're a beginner, you're learning electronics. This is a great project to try. Now, for the light here, I also want to mention, you could put a transistor in there to control a larger LED or string of LEDs or different, brighter light. Just be careful. If it gets too bright, it's going to turn itself off. So one way you could eliminate that is, maybe have the LDR pointed away from it, like I just bent it down there. Then it's not facing right at the light and turning itself off and on. All right, well with that, I'd like to thank you for joining us here at the Z Hut today. I hope you have a great day and have fun building.